In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add featured images in WordPress, a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enhance your WordPress posts with attractive, eye-catching images, giving your content a more professional and polished look. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is where you'll log in to access your WordPress account and make the necessary changes to your posts. Once you're on the homepage, look to the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Give it a click and you'll be redirected to the login page. Here you have various options to access your account. For ease, let's choose the continue with Google option. This method allows you to log in using your Google credentials, making the process both quick and secure. With the login completed, you'll be presented with a list of all the Google accounts connected to your device. Select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. This action redirects you back to the dashboard view of your WordPress site. Now it's time to navigate to your posts. In the dashboard, look for the Posts section. This area houses all the articles or blog entries you've published or are currently drafting. Click on Posts and a comprehensive list of all your content will appear. From this list, select the specific post you want to enhance with a featured image by clicking on Edit right next to your chosen post. This brings you to the Post Editor, a space where you can make changes and updates to your content. As we continue, focus your attention on the right panel of your screen. Here you'll spot various settings and options for your post. Among them is the featured image section. Go ahead and click on it. This interface allows you to upload, change, or replace your featured image. For our task, click on Replace. This prompts a new window where you can either select an image from your media library or choose to upload a fresh image from your computer. To finalize our task, if you're opting to upload a new image, use the browse function to locate your desired image on your device. Once you've found it, simply click on Open or Upload to add it to your site. WordPress will process the image and you'll see it appear as your featured image on the right panel. Now your post is boosted with a visually appealing image that aligns with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a featured image to your WordPress post. Make sure to click Save or Publish to apply all these changes smoothly. This simple yet effective enhancement can significantly boost the aesthetic appeal of your posts, making them more engaging to your readers. Thanks for watching and feel free to return to this guide whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy blogging!